You're watching CTOM TV. Knowledge is power. Welcome. We're going to talk today about prostate cancer, what it is, how it forms, how it's commonly diagnosed and treated in standard care today in Canada and elsewhere, and the most current innovations and how to access them. So that's what we're going to cover today. My name is Michelle Morand, and I am presenting this along with my compadre, Alexander Rowland. We affectionately refer to him as the cancer guy because for decades, that's pretty much been, well, with the exception of a few other things, all he does. And his happy place is to be up at 3 a.m. looking at the most recent journal articles, seriously. So this is in your best interest because he is very much up to speed and his team are really crackerjack. So we're going to hear from Alex about the most current things, kind of big problems with standard care in prostate cancer, things to look out for, things to ask for, and most importantly, those innovations in treatment. We've been doing this work, cancer treatment options and management, for 11 years now. It's a personalized research and education and advocacy group. And we started out in Vancouver, BC, and now we provide services all around the world, really just helping cancer patients and their oncologists have access to leading edge treatments sooner than they otherwise would. So I just wanted you to know a little bit about us and what we do. Alex, is there anything you'd like to add to tell us a little bit about yourself?
I think you pretty well covered everything, Michelle.
Right, that you're up till 3.
I'm up till 3 in the morning reading journals.
Yeah, pretty much, or in the lab where you are right now.
Yes.
Yeah. That's your happy place.
I'm in the CTOM DNA sequencing lab right now, actually.
Yes, you are, with that's a big freezer behind you, right?
Yeah, we have many freezers. They're required in this.
Samples nice and cool.
Mm-hmm.
And we might get to talking about that if people are interested a little bit later about some of the new technology you have in your lab and some of the testing you can do there. Nice to see you, Michael. Thanks for joining us. Good to see your face. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to disappear, and instead of me, we're going to see this PowerPoint presentation so that Alex can talk us through it. I'll also do my best to try to keep an eye on when you've raised a hand or have questions to ask, but again, we may just save those for the end of each section. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to see that, and I'm going to go to slideshow. Okay, can you see that, everybody? On the one half of the screen? Okay. What's most interesting is what Alex is about to say, but it is kind of nice to have something to follow along with. And again, everything that we're about to cover here and then some is in that document that I loaded into our chat and is also going to come to you in email when we're done. So don't worry if you're having a hard time seeing all the stuff. It's coming through. Just sit back, enjoy, listen, make a note of any questions you have. Okay, so as mentioned, we're going to talk about what prostate cancer is, how it forms, how it's traditionally treated in standard care, what are the most current innovations in diagnostics and in treatment, why they are so much better, so you can really understand the mechanisms behind them. And that'll help you with your advocacy. Thank you for watching CTOM TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.